Welcome back to Jay's Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. We got a hot one for you today. Today is midweek. We're pushing and rocking, and we're going to be rocking with you guys, showing you guys the crypto, the overall markets, the charts. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to take a look what's in the news real quick, and we're going to do a basic rundown of the top crypto so you can understand what's happening in today's cryptocurrency markets. Okay, guys, today's overall cryptocurrency market cap is at 2.63 trillion. That's 2.7% to the upside. Volume coming in for Wednesday, 21% higher than the previous day, almost 100 billion in volume. 53.2 dominance. Bitcoin, Ethereum 17.4, gas right now 16 GUI. Fear and greed, we're sitting at 65, right at that tip of the green, right? Bitcoin right now $70,951, 3% to the upside. 1.3 trillion dollar market cap, 37 billion volume. Ethereum $3,800, 1% to the upside, $457 billion market cap. USDT now sitting at a market cap of $112 billion. We're watching them print more stable coin USDT, USDC on the sidelines, because that's when the money starts flowing into crypto, into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and then into the altcoins. BNB on a run, $700, 8% to the upside, $103 billion market cap, 4 billion volume today on that Binance BNB. That's one of the charts we're going to be taking a look at. Solana, number 5 spot, 172, 4.4% to the upside today. All right, 79.4 bill market cap, 2 billion volume. Okay, and then you can see the weekly numbers for BNB is at a 16, 8% yesterday, 8% today. That's a 16 on the weekly, and we'll see that in the chart. USDC now holding $32.3 billion market cap USDC. So printing, there's more stable coins, more capital in the markets. The crypto money starts to flow. The liquidity flows. XRP, 52 cents, 1% upside, 29.3 bill market cap. Dogecoin still sitting right there, top meme in the house. Dogecoin, 16 cents, 2.7 upside today, 23.5 bill market cap. Toncoin locking in that number 9 spot at $7.38, $7.38, 7% upside, 17.8 billion market cap. And then your number 10, 46 cents. Okay, let's take a look at the charts for you guys right now. I'm going to start off on the Bitcoin chart, and we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, I'm using an indicator called Traders Reality, and you can type that into indicators. It's called Traders Reality, and you'll get this information. So you can see the different sessions that were happening here. We came into the New York session yesterday. We had a significant move to the upside, going from a $68,900 up to the swing high of 71,060. All right, and then that happened during the session. Right now we're in a Europe session. The New York session, about an hour and a half, the markets will be opening. The 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame is at 69. I'm going to be putting my targets right there at that 70K even, okay, just because that's just a smooth number to hit right here. You can see we have 3 major pockets of liquidity that are sitting, all right. So when you do place your limit buy orders, remember, we come down here, you grab it, and you ride it on the way back up, okay. So are we going to see a retrace to these moving averages? Right now we have a blue vector candle coming in, okay, but this is on the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. We did pull above this 50 EMA, and when we pulled above it, we retraced, visited the 50 EMA. That's a rise, retrace, a continuation to the upside, okay? So we want to see moving average coming towards price, and then we see more moves towards the upside. This is strengthening the charts overall for Bitcoin. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Now, let's go into the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, as you can see on Bitcoin, we were pulling below that 50 EMA. We had a breakout from this falling pattern here. We ended up breaking above that 50, and we're riding towards the upside, okay? And the upside is giving us this full breakout, Okay, so the breakout from the 67,550 to a swing high of 71,950, and that is what we're looking at in that playbook on Bitcoin for the 4 hour, for the longer term time frames. As you can see, heavy liquidity sitting right here. Okay, so a retrace before a continuation and rise to the upside. All right, so this is something that I'm looking or expecting to be happening in the markets, but as you can see, we're watching play by play utilizing the hybrid system. Let's move on to Ethereum, ETH, the second top big daddy of them all. As you can see, Ethereum ended up pulling above its 50, and this is on the 4 hour longer time frames. Okay, we have to still tell you about the Bitcoin daily, but I wanted to show you Ethereum. Ethereum had that rise, okay, the hype of the ETFs, and then it's just been trading. So the hype, the initial hype and price in of that ETF, they got it. Now what we're going to pay attention to is what's going to happen with these outflows. So target set for Ethereum, 3.535, okay, and second target set is 3,425. All right, that's going to get me right into these areas where these pockets of liquidity sit, okay, because what they're calling for in the market is the Grayscale fund to sell off. So they're going to have a lot of outflows in the beginning, but are we going to be able to balance out those outflows? All right, and then those inflows will get crushed by it. So they're going to have to be able to calculate this in a timely fashion, in a good manner. All right, now just to show you on the daily, we're going into long term now. You can see that we're hitting this top right here, and that's right at the 72. This is an all-time high for Bitcoin, okay? We did build steam after coming and actually falling below the 50 moving average here on the daily, okay? We had our little bit of a, not a significant move actually coming towards the upside, breaking us above that 50. We had another vector candle taking us from 66 to that swing high of 71. All right, we had a retrace, and then we had retail interest in this area, consolidation trading sideways. So this leads us to believe that yes, we could be seeing a nice significant flush towards the upside into those 80K targets that we talked about earlier in the year. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you, this is Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily, you can see after we had the same kind of breakdown, so after we broke below, we kept hitting, and we did not break back above that 50. When we did, this is where we're at. Now we're in a consolidation phase where everybody is buying at this level, okay, and not a lot of sell pressure towards the downside, which is good. So we want to actually see price not going towards moving average. We want to see moving average going towards price, and that's daily on Ethereum. Your 200 EMA sits at 2,965, and your 800 at 2,275. BNB, significant move into the 700s, and as you can see now, there's heavy level traders and heavy liquidity sitting in this area, okay? That was a really significant move. Again, another one in the market, 600 to 700. That's a big move for Binance BNB. After it broke out above and the 50 EMA crossed the 200 back towards the upside of it, we broke above that also, okay? We had a moving average come towards price, and then we had another run towards the upside, and then moving average come towards price, and then there we go into our next breakout, next leg up, these $700 targets, okay? Make sure you pay yourself too, guys, okay? You know, just taking back profits, taking back initials, making your profits, recycling, get your meme coins, and rock out right there. Now let's talk about Solana. Solana right now, after seeing Solana riding on top of that 50 EMA, we broke below that. We caused some W formations, holding us down, sell pressure, and then we finally made a break towards the upside. We had a rise from 149 to 189 in the price of Solana, and we did retrace back to the 50 EMA, which sits at 160. Right now, we hit the 160, and we're seeing the rise, the retrace, and then we see a continuation towards the upside happening right now, okay? Heavy levels of liquidity sitting at that 158, and then another pocket 128. But right now, most of the heavy liquidity is sitting right at and below that 50 EMA, acting as a nice level of support. Upside resistance expected at 191. All right. After breaking out, a significant move would be from 191 into the pockets of liquidity in the 202 area, and all-time highs at 234. And that's just looking at the playbook and seeing the flow of cash, just because we're seeing that printing and we're seeing those stable coins go higher. We're seeing the market caps grow. BNB's screaming towards the upside. So all these things are happening for us in the market. We have Pew Pew launching out there, rocking. You can check that out. You can check out the Medium story. We got that updated. Okay, all the time for you guys. It breaks it down. Check them out in the Telegram community and much, much more. You can find all their information. Now, guys, don't forget to swing by X. Follow me on X. There is inside the description, inside the video, all the information and news that you can follow. And we do tweets on Twitter, and we're dropping it. I'm utilizing this account right here, Radio for You 88. And I'm going to be doing all kinds of stuff, rocking out, working with Pew, pushing it on this account. And then also we got the Reddit page going on too for Pew. Let me go ahead and show you guys that too, so that way we can see. We got Pew for Soul, and we got all that information out here dropping. Okay, we got all that info. We got all that info dropping, so you could check all that out, and then swing by also the different pages. Bohm Chain, the blockchain is going live on the 9th, a few days from now, so we have a lot happening. Checking out the charts, all right, and get with it, because you know what, you're chilling with the latest and greatest. So we talked about the top coins and all that. We can also give you a run too. We're going to do a meme coin video. So this is the top tokens video, meme coin, altcoins. You could check out the Pew story video that I read, and then we're going to work out and build up on this. Any suggestions and more, you could drop inside the comments, because we're rocking out and chilling. Okay, guys, you were chilling with Okay, guys, you were chilling with Jay Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news, charts, targets, and much, much more. Until the next time, guys.